y'all, today we are trying out some new ELF makeup. We pretty well did a full face. I had to bring in a couple other products, but we are trying out the ELF Flawless Brightening Concealer, the ELF Putty Blush, the ELF Eye Candy Eyeshadow Duo Set, and lots of other ELF products. If you are new here, I always want to let you guys know that we use all natural lighting here on my channel. I'm sorry, I have a hair right in my eye. But yeah, we use all natural light here. I want you guys to see my skin, my pores, my rosacea, how I cover it, everything true to color. So what you see is what you get here on my channel. Nothing's filtered, nothing is blurred out. Also, we are on day 5 of our 7 days of giveaways, so you guys need to enter all of those. It'll be in the video how you enter, what you do, all that good stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you subscribe if you haven't already, and let's hop in. Okay, we have lots of new ELF stuff to try. And I'm trying to kind of stick with ELF kind of everything. I don't have a foundation, so I'm going to stick with drugstore and use the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate. We won't spend a lot of time here because, well, we've got a lot of other stuff to talk about, and I don't want this video to be, 3 days long. So I am going to apply this to the skin. Holy moly, I forgot how full coverage this was. Okay, could be the sponge too, but you guys, man, I've not had makeup on in a bit, but holy moly, the coverage, wow. And I only picked up a little bit, like wow. I'm pretty sure I could have done my whole face with that. This is my first time using the sponge, but it feels pretty great on the skin. I'm gonna flip it over and try to pick up some of the excess because, whew, the coverage. Wow. I really like this sponge. I will exchange it for another. This comes in a little 2-pack. It's Cashmere Dreams. Apparently this one, the pink one, is for, oh, here's a mini review. The pink one is for powder, and this one's for foundation. I love the way this applied this foundation. Like, it had so much coverage. It did not take away coverage, but like I said, it is already tore, so I'll have to see about that. So let's get on to the Flawless Brightening Concealer. Let's add a bit of this. I have this in medium N. I do dislike, oh, hold on. Let me tell you this before. I'm gonna put a good bit on where I am using a sponge, but I do dislike this clicky pen. I don't like any clicky pens. Like, why do it that way? Like, you gotta keep clicking, and it finally starts to come out, and by the time it comes out, normally it's like an absolute ton. And I never put foundation on my under eyes. I do not want those to cake up. Like, under eyes can look really great or really cakey, and I'm gonna not go for cakey with the under eyes. Like you guys see, this takes absolutely no time to blend out. Wow. It's very smooth. I don't think it's really brightening on me. I would need a lighter shade, but the coverage is really nice. It looks really good. Let me see if it says what the coverage is supposed to be. Luminosity is a click away. Create a brightened, flawless complexion with a flick of a pen. Use this buildable brightening concealer to highlight all over the face. This luxurious but lightweight formula brightens and highlights your key features. Okay. Let me see. Luminous? Yeah, it definitely has, hold on, I have an eyelash. There we go. It definitely isn't matte. It really has some glow to it, but I don't think it's like overly dewy. I think it just looks really nice, really natural, but it still has really nice coverage. Okay, my under eyes are lightly set, but I forgot. We have a blush to try. Say hello to that island glow. This lightweight but buildable putty to powder blush blends seamlessly into skin. Infused with argan oil, vitamin E. It's buildable. It will give you a flushed from within glow. And this is in Bali. It says using, well, we don't have the brush for this, but it's saying a brush. So I'll grab a brush. Or clean fingers, gently pat over the apples of your cheeks. Continue patting for a smooth, seamless blend. You can always add more for an intense pop of color. This looks a little intimidating. So I'm going to use just a little bit at first, see what we got. I'm going to use my little IT Cosmetics brush. This is normally what I use for cream products. All right, I got a little on there. Let's do a little dabby. Okay, shoo. I was worried. I was really worried, you guys. Ooh, I'm liking it. Ooh, I'm liking it. All right, let's get a little bit more. Yeah, it's pretty firm in there, so I like that. And a little bit does go a long way with this. Gosh, that's very pretty, you guys. It leaves a really pretty glow, but it's very natural, like very natural. Ooh, that's pretty. This is something I already had. This is the Halo Glow Setting Powder. So I'm gonna drop this in the cap. And this is in medium. They do have shades in it, which is great. It's kind of like powder, but not really powder because it adds a bit more luminosity to the skin. Okay, I don't have a bronzer, so again, I'm going to grab something different. This is newer to my collection, but I am obsessed with this. This is the Hand Skincare Cosmetics All Natural Bronzer. I love this, you guys. It's in Maui. I'm not going to put too much on. I really do like the way this blush looks. Normally, I go for quite a bit of bronzer and a little bit of blush, but I really do like the way this blush looks. Now for highlighter, I have the Shimmer Highlighting Powder in Starlight Glow. This is stunning, you guys. I also have this. This is the Illuminating Palette. You guys, I used to love this. It was subtle but glowy. Oh, I used to love it. Let's do a little swatch. Like, this is one that you could totally put, you can see it right here. It's just barely glowy. You could literally use that as a light setting powder. It's gorgeous, you guys. Let me put this on first because I just want to see. I haven't used it in a really long time, but I'm telling you guys, I used to love this so much. All right, tops of the cheekbones. Like, this was out before, like, in your face highlighters became popular. And it's just a beauty. Like, when you concentrate it like that, it does show up. But you guys, it is so gorgeous. It's like just a really lit from within glow. I don't know why more people don't talk about this. Honestly, you guys, like, look at that. It's beautiful. It's not chunky. Oh, I love it. I'm going to take this guy and highlight the Cupid's bow. Now we have the ELF Eye Candy Eyeshadow Duo Set. So this is what they sent me online. It looked different, like it was in more of a bigger box. So I'm not sure. It comes with a brush. They still have it online. Let's see what we're working with here. The little shadows look like this. And just like it says, they are duos. We have 3 of them. Let me take all the lids off so we can actually see them. Ooh, okay. So we have a brown and like a champagne. we'll do swatches of the shimmers. They feel nice. All right, it's a little powdery, but it'll do. Then we have a berry toned one. And let's swatch this guy. There is that one. And then we have like a deep brown and a copper. Okay. Ooh, that copper. Oof. That copper is gorgeous, you guys. Very pretty. Very pretty. All right, I'm taking a blending brush in with, let me see. There is no name on here. So this guy, the matte. And we're gonna put that in, oh gosh, the crease. I didn't expect this to be so pigmented. Wow, okay. Pigment is there. Let's keep blending because this has to be our transition shade. All right, now I'm gonna use the brush that came with it. I'm gonna go in with our dark brown here. These are a little powdery, so take that one into consideration. We're gonna put this on the outer corner. I do like these shades. They're pretty versatile. I like that. All right, then I'm gonna grab a brush and gently blend this into the crease. Just a little bit. So with this one, I'm gonna kind of build and blend. The last eyeshadow tutorial I did and review was with the Makeup by Mario palettes, and you guys, I was definitely disappointed. I like these a heck of a lot better than I did that. And these are ELF. Very inexpensive. Alright, let's put this copper. You guys, this is gorgeous. Grab our dark brown one more time and just mesh these two together. I'm gonna grab the lightest shade, highlight the inner corner. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm actually gonna add a little bit over top. I know, I can't help it though. Why not use several shades? And just lightly dab. Yes, I'm just gonna keep it kind of to the front. Now, I'm gonna grab my pencil brush, go in with the dark brown, lower lash line. I took that about 3/4 of the way in. And then I'm gonna take our light brown, well, it's not light, our mid-tone warmer brown. Grab some of it and then go right below our dark brown. I had basically no fallout, so I'm going to go off camera, finish my other eye, throw on some lashes, and we will be right back. All right, my lovelies, this is the finished look. I ended up using a Buxom lipstick. I wanted an orange where we had that copper on the lid, and I couldn't find one drugstore, so this is what I used. I put a little bit of brown liner on the lower waterline. Also, I had this, it was new, the ELF H2O proof eyeliner pen. This is supposed to be waterproof. You guys, this is very, very black. It went on the lids perfectly, so super excited about that too. But you guys, we're gonna make this short and sweet. The 3 new products that we tried, the eyeshadows, the putty blush, and the concealer, are all winners in my book. They blew my socks off. Gorgeous. Highly recommend all of them. I love these, you guys. I'm gonna keep using them. If something changes or if the blush fades off easily, this, that, I will always let you guys know down below. But I can pretty well say I am ecstatic about these. Like, wow, wow. So let's get into our giveaway for today. All you guys have to do is make sure you're subscribed, like this video, What else is there? You guys, I've totally just spaced out. Oh, leave me a comment of whatever you want down below and subscribe or follow me on Instagram. So this is what we are giving away today. This is a Kylie lip kit. I guess where we did a more expensive, not drugstore lip, I decided to include this. This is the matte liquid lipstick and lip liner. This is in the shade Ulta Beauty. It's a really gorgeous nude. And of course they are in here, not used, have not touched them, none of that. But yeah, I hope you guys like all of these giveaways. I will have the others linked somewhere throughout the video. This is day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is day 5 of our 7. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.